once again I welcome you all in yet another new class, and this is the environmental studies. In environmental studies we were learning about the solar system, and we have learned the fourth planet: Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars. Okay, so let's do the recapitulation of the solar system. So this is a picture of solar system. The 8 planets and the sun makes the solar system. And what are the sequence of planets in the solar system? Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. So Mercury is the first planet, very smallest planet. It revolves around the sun very fastly. Second is the Venus, the second planet. It shines brightly in the sky during the night time. It is surrounded by the clouds. It rotates very slow. Third one is the Earth, our mother planet. We live on planet Earth. It has land, water and air. That is a moderate climate. It has moderate climate to live in Earth. And we eat its food, we breathe air in the earth, and after that it takes 365 days to complete one revolution. Mars is the fourth planet, the second smallest planet. It looks red during the night time because its surface is covered with red color rocks. Okay, iron. So they have lots and lots of iron oxides on this land surface. That's why it reflects red in color during the night time. And today we are going to learn about the next planet, Jupiter. So this is Jupiter, the fifth planet of our solar system. It is giant gas planet. So they don't have surface. It is a gas planet. It is the largest planet in the solar system. It has 63 moons. It is a giant, biggest planet, gaseous planet. It has 63 moons. Let's sing the Jupiter rhyme. Remember all of you? The family of the sun. The family of the sun. Here are arranged planets in the family of the sun. Great Jupiter is big. We had studied it a lot. We found it has lots of moon and big red spot. Great Jupiter is big. We had studied it a lot. We found it has lots of moon and big red spot. So this is about Jupiter and its rhyme. So for the rhyme you have to refer the rhyme book. Okay. The next planet is the Saturn. This is the Saturn, the sixth planet in the solar system. It has 53 moons. This planet is also a gas planet. The second biggest planet. Saturn has rings that swirl around it. They have rings. Do you know what is a ring? Rings are icy rocks. Okay, they're icy rocks. This is the second biggest planet. The first one is Jupiter. Second biggest planet is Saturn. And they have 52 moons. Okay, Jupiter has 63 moons. And Saturn has 52 moons. And Earth has 1 moon. Okay, let's sing the rhyme for Saturn. Saturn has great rings. We wonder what they are. Saturn has great rings, we wonder what they wear. Now we know they're icy rocks which we saw as a blur. Now we know they're icy rocks which we saw as a blur. Saturn has great ring, we wonder what they are. Now we know they're icy rocks which we saw as a blur. Okay, and what is the next planet? Next comes the Uranus. Uranus is the seventh planet. So this is a picture of Uranus. Uranus is the seventh planet in the solar system. It is the third largest planet. The first one is Jupiter, second is Saturn, third one is Uranus. Uranus is the third largest planet. It has 27 moons. It is made up of rocks and various ices. It has gas that makes it look blue in color. They have gas that makes it look blue in color. So this is planet Uranus with 27 moons, gaseous planet. They have rocks on the surface. They have rock and various ice on the surface. The third largest planet in the solar system. Okay, let's sing the rhyme for planet Uranus. Uranus is for its cold and greenish blue. Uranus is far. It's cold and greenish blue. We found it rotated sideways and it has lot of moons. We found it rotated sideways and it has lot of moon. Uranus is far. It's cold and greenish blue. We found it rotated sideways and it has lot of moons. Next comes Neptune. This is Neptune. Neptune is the last planet of the solar system, that is 8th planet. It is very far away from the sun, so it is very cold in there. Okay. It is blue in color and has 13 moons. Neptune takes 165 Earth year to complete one revolution. Earth takes 1 year. So it takes 165 Earth year to complete one revolution. That means it takes 165 years to complete one revolution. Okay, so this is planet Neptune. It is blue in color and has 13 moons. The very far away planet from the Earth, so it's very cold in there. So Neptune has a spot, a stormy patch of blue. Neptune has spot, a stormy patch of blue. The planet has lots of clouds and ring around it too. The planet has a lot of clouds and ring around it too. Neptune has a spot, a stormy patch of blue. The planet has a lot of clouds and ring around it too. Okay children, so these are all about the 8 planets in our solar system. The family of the sun, the family of the sun. Here are 8 planets in the family of the sun. Let's name it together. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune and Pluto. So Pluto is all gone, so we have to stop by Neptune. Okay. Mercury, because when I was studying in school, we had one more planet, 9th one, Pluto. But now it's disappeared. So we are learning about up to Neptune only. Okay. So Neptune, up to Neptune, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Okay. And do you know children, we live in Earth. So how do we talk? What kind of eyes do we have? So we have 2 eyes, 1 nose, 1 mouth, 2 hands and 2 legs. We all walk forward. We all talk with the mouth. We all see with the eyes. We all have voices that comes out of our neck. But have you ever wondered, there are some living things that looks very different from us and they live on other planets also. As we live on Earth, there are some living creatures that live on other planets. Do you know what are they? They are called as aliens. Aliens, they look very different. You know, some aliens will come like this. Okay, some aliens will look very different. They have 2 hands, 3 hands. Sometimes they have only 1 eye. Okay, so aliens, they doesn't have a proper creature or doesn't have a proper shape. They look very different. They have, sometimes they have 1 eye, sometimes they have 2 mouths, sometimes they have 10 legs and hands, and they walk like this. They won't walk like us as we would do here. So they walk differently. Okay, so these are the pictures of some aliens. Have a look at the pictures. How does it look? Isn't it that's not nice, like? Okay. So they are called aliens. So aliens are some of the living creatures that live apart from the Earth. They don't live on the Earth, they live on other planets. Okay. So let's do the worksheet children. Quickly take out your worksheet and turn to page number 52. Word search. So there are planets named given: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. So we have to find out the names of the planet and we have to circle it out. The first one is Mercury. So it's here on the first row, Mercury. Find it out and circle it out. Next, Venus. Venus is here. It's here. Earth, where is Earth? Earth, it's here. Earth, E-A-R-T-H, Earth. Next Mars. Mars is your M-A-R-S, Mars. Circle it up. Next Jupiter. Jupiter, it's your Jupiter, Jupiter. Next Saturn. Saturn, where is Saturn? It's here. Saturn, Saturn. Then comes Uranus. Uranus, Uranus, Uranus is here. Circle it up. Next Neptune, Neptune, Neptune. Circle it out. Okay, done, children? Good. Next, one more worksheet, the very final worksheet we are going to do. So, copy to draw the other half of the alien and give a name to it. Okay, so can you see how does it looks very different, very something like they don't have a proper face, proper hands and legs. So you have to copy to draw the half of it. So in the same way you have to draw towards the right side. Here you have to draw an antenna, one eye, one nose, mouth and two hands and one leg. Okay, and you have to name it. Okay, you can give any name. For example, you give name to your pet. No, in the same way you can give it name to this alien. Okay, children. So do both the worksheet. Take the picture of it and send it in the group. With this, children, we have completed our EVS class. From today, our EVS class is all over. Okay, children. So hereafter, you will not receive any EVS class. With this, children, I am coming to the end of this class. I am going to meet you in the next class. Until then, it's your saying bye and take care.